Alright guys, we're now downtown. See some of these some things you might like to purchase if you come here. T-shirts 3 for $5. One piece, $3. Buy one or buy 3, get one free. $1. 2 pieces for $1. Not sure how much the snakes are. Keychain, $2. I do need a keychain. It's like some kind of puzzle toy for the kids. Don't know how much that is. That might actually help in my classroom. Sorry if you couldn't hear me there. Pillows, t-shirts, flags for $1, patches, different countries. Some nice artwork. I really like the artwork. And yes, I know these are all replicas. They're not original. Well, that's all right. Doesn't stop my enjoyment of it. And then clothes, bags. More clothes, more purses, more bags. Get out of the dark, step into the light. Yeah, I'm sure they don't have anything my size for that, but if you're of a smaller stature, you can get some cheap t-shirts, which is always nice. By the way, I'm not sure where this video is going as far as my uploads. I already made one for today. It's Saturday, by the way. I already made one for today that I'm going to upload when I get home. That's how to get started on my next one. But I don't know. I might just throw that one in the middle too, but I don't want it to be too long. Some people don't mind the longer videos, but some people do. You can't make everybody happy, but unless it's for something specific, I don't see a need to make 30-minute videos all the time. By the way, I did find out I use the Power Director app for my videos. The video I made with 3.5 minutes of traffic, I used some of the free music you're supposed to be allowed to use from the Power Director app. It's within the app. It's for users who use Power Director to put in their videos. And normally I don't do that, but I was playing around, I saw it, figured I'd try something different. And then I wake up with an email from YouTube saying there was a copyright complaint against the music I used. Now, the thing with copyright complaints about music is that you can remove the music if you want, or any money you would make off that video would go to the owner of the music, which is fine. I don't have enough subscribers to make money. These videos don't make money. And normally when I get one, I just kind of delete the email and throw it away. It's like, I don't care. I'm not making any money off this one. That's fine. I'm not making money now. Don't have enough subscribers, so no big deal. I do this for, as I said a few times, a documentation of my time here. But then it got to me because I'm like, I used it from the Power Director app, and it's not about the money or having a copyright claim, which doesn't affect my channel at all. But it's the fact that I felt like I was cheated because I used the Power Director app. They're the ones that put that song up. and told all their users, hey, you can go ahead and put it in your video if you want. And then somebody else comes in and goes, no, that's my music, you can't use it. So I went ahead and disputed that one. I went through the official YouTube dispute method, explained why I was disputing it, and all they would say is, okay, we'll send this information to the person that claims to own it, and then they can dispute your dispute if they want. So I don't know where it's all going, but it's the principle of the thing. And I guess I should email Power Director and let them know that they shouldn't have music up there if they are not allowed to use it. Hello. Oh, no, thank you. No, thank you. How are you doing today? Good? Yes. Yeah. So that might be my next step, because of course YouTube does not handle disputes. They simply let you know if there's been a claim against you, and then you are free to dispute it, and then it's between you and the person who claims to own it. A lot of nice jewelry here if you're in the market for that. You get jewelry. I'm not sure. Huh? Oh, she wants, okay. She wants some woman's stuff for her face, some beauty products. Ooh, these are pretty nice. Yeah, nice green jade elephants. Lots and lots of shiny in this section. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Let's follow the cat. Let's follow the cat, see where it's going. Try not to scare it. Are you the lucky cat? You going to lead me to my riches? Nope, he is not. Oh, there I am. Which way? I think she was expecting me. I don't know where this beauty things are. I have no idea. That is not a beauty thing. We're in the food section now. I do love the food section. As you know, and is well documented in my videos. All those nice fruits, vegetables, meats, seafood. Little sweets. Fruit snacks you can get here. Very good. You know. There we go. And now me, I have to. No. I need you to get the money out. I got a camera in one hand, wallet in the other, but not the ability to open it. Told her to get the money out. As always, a nice busy market is a good thing. Hadn't planned on coming down here. Ooh, change. Nice. Hadn't planned on coming down here. But now that I am, here's a 1,000 real notes. 1,000 real notes. That is worth 25 cents USD. So 4,000 real to the dollar. I guess she's gonna stay down here and snack for a bit. So I'm going to go walk around for a little bit. Hey, I'll be right down there. All right. Gonna go walk around so I'm not just standing here showing you the same thing over and over. We'll see what we can find down here. Things you've seen before. But who knows? I might get some new viewers. They might be interested in seeing some of the things. I guess that's what sometimes with YouTube, that's what it is. It's a balance. It's like you don't want to show the same thing a lot. That looks like some kind of cake, but it's not cake. It's got peppers on top. Some kind of savory cake. Meat, chili peppers. I guess like a Cambodian lasagna. But yeah, the balance is not wanting to show the same things over and over so your regular subscribers get bored. But also when you get new subscribers and they might have never seen a place like this before and they're interested, or they haven't gone through, of course, all the videos from the past, and they might want to, they don't know where to find them down below, or don't want to dig through it just to see a market. This is something they might like. So there's a balance. Ooh, fresh crab. What? That one looked like he's ready to go. He's ready to go, man. He's trying to fight. Nice shrimp. I don't know if there's a difference between a shrimp and a prawn, but those things are huge. Yeah, compared to my hand, man, those things are big. Got some squid action. Of course, chickens. Gotta have chickens. I tend to always get chicken when given the choice in my dishes. But we do make a lot of pork when we're at home. But the thing I like about chicken is that it's a culinary equivalent of a blank slate. You can do so many things with it. Get so many different flavors put into it. And over here they use every part of the chicken. Chicken feet are big. Singalai loves chicken feet. And it looks like we came full circle. Got some sit-down places down there. See, people stopping, having a meal. Singalai's doing the same down here, having a little snack. So there we go. All right. There's a little walk around downtown. Again, this video is really about nothing much. But it's what I like to do on my days off. Walk around, find things, go to the market. And that kind of thing. So, I'll end this one here, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.